Hi, I'm Grant Wright. I'm Managing Director of Industry Cladding and Roofing. PGH is one of the largest suppliers of bricks in Victoria and hence why they need to replace these roofs on the buildings above the kilns. I would say that these buildings are somewhere between 60 to 80 years of age. They were asbestos roofs which were removed by Ground Maintenance Australia. They stripped the roof in about 4 days, had the sign-off done for safe work practice for us to be able to come in and then replace all the purlins and replace the roof sheeting. So Industry Cladding and Roofing were contracted to come in and supply all of the new ZAM purlins, which are the new coated purlins by Stramit, all off booms because we had to work up and above the existing kilns. We replaced 2,700 lineal metres of purlins that had rusted away, replaced all the roof sheeting, the box gutters, the new skylights and a new eaves gutter at the front. There was 2,400 square metres of roof sheeting and there was about 140 lineal metres of the curved ridge capping or vent cappings that were needed to go back on the top. In total, we thought we would be about 7, maybe 8 days to get this happening, and we've been able to finish it off in the 6 days. It's critical for us to get the plant back in operation so that the management of PGH can get their workers back into the factory, get bricks back into production. Now they're prepared to ramp up again and ramp up early because we've got the job done.